Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan, you're watching The Way We Hunt. If this is your first time here, thanks for cruising on by. If you've been around for a while, thank you for stopping back by. I feel I say that all the time. Anyway, so spring turkey season is officially in the books. I did okay, Emily did better. Oregon black bear season, spring black bear season is also in the books. I did better than Emily this time. She usually outdoes me. Anyway, wanted to come to you real quick and bring you a product review or a couple of different products from Allen Company. They sent us a couple of products from their Shocker series this year to try out during turkey season. We were going to bring you a video earlier, but I was honestly still using it and hadn't made my mind up yet. So a couple of products we're going to talk about right here is the run and gun chest rig. All right, so I'm an idiot. It is the Allen Company cut and run chest rig. This entire video I say run and gun. I don't know why I said run and gun. I think that's because there's a run and gun around here, and that's just, anyway. It's the cut and run. I apologize, Allen Company. Every time I say run and gun, I mean cut and run. So anyway, enjoy the video. And then also, I'm gonna talk about their shotgun case real quick, and then also their shotgun sling. So let's just get right into it. And by the way, if you hear Issa in the background, she's over there with the donkeys and the goat. Anyway, she's doing Issa things. So this is the Allen Company Shocker series run and gun chest rig. Exactly what it says. Put it around your neck there. It does have a waist belt, and in the product literature it shows it, I think, around a guy's waist. It doesn't fit around my waist. So you can run around your leg. I don't run it around my leg. I ran it either just over my neck like that, or I would run it like this. One thing I really like about it is the magnetic closure up top. So it just opens. You can keep, for instance, right now still, this is not staged, I still have my pot call, I have a face mask, I have a receipt, I have a Remington Nitro Turkey spent cartridge that I killed my turkey with in Texas. I have my striker for my pot call, and then I know this is not what this is made for, but so I run a decoy. It's an inflatable decoy. I can take it up and throw it down real quick. This little side pouches over here make a perfect holder for my decoy stake. I found it really useful. I could just stick it right there, put the foldable part down inside the pouch itself, and it was perfect. It does have a zippered back pouch right here. Really enjoyed that. I could stick my phone right there. Kept it out of the elements. It also has pockets over here for just an elastic pocket. I tried to put my phone in here. My iPhone 12 Pro would not fit in there very easily, but was very useful. Has pockets up front for your diaphragm calls. Also has another little pocket right here. You can clip whatever you wanted to so it didn't fall out. You can clip some calls there. Didn't use that pocket all that much, but so how I use this was, like I said, going into the field, I would run it just like this, tighten it up a little bit. I would have the shotgun with me, and then once I got to where I was going, I would simply pull my arm out, sit down in my chair, put this in my lap, and just use this as my workstation. Super easy to use, very convenient, super quiet, nothing loud on it. Like I said, the magnetic closures work fantastic. And the straps, I haven't broke them yet. I'm pretty hard on gear. That's why I wanted to give it to the end of spring season before I gave an honest review on it. I did notice the elastic on the very front here kind of got a little worn. I had a bottle of water in there and something else, and I don't remember. But it kind of had a memory to it. But other than that, this thing was perfect. Has a little bit of wear and tear on the side right here from where I just pulling my striker in and out, pulling my decoy stake in and out. But it's a very soft material. It's a very quiet material. It's not going to be loud, so when you're in the bush, when you got stuff rubbing on it, trees and stuff, it's not going to be too loud. So anyways, that is the Shocker, the Allen Company run and gun chest rig, their Shocker series. Really liked it. Didn't know what I was going to think about it at first, and here is a very honest opinion right after I shot my turkey. And they all luckily separated and gave me about a 37-yard shot using the Remington Turkey Pro with the Remington Nitro turkey loads. You know, I was a little skeptical first about this chest rig from Allen Company. It's the Shocker series. This is their, I think it's called the Run and Go or something like that. But I liked it. So I actually wore my big turkey vest over here. It's a running gun, I think it's called. Yeah, the chest rig. Wore my big vest over here. Got set down underneath the cedar here, and then put this on. That way I keep all my calls and everything just right here. And it actually worked out really well. I didn't know how well it was going to work out, but it was actually super nice. Like I said, it's got a magnetic closure on it. So anyway, we'll do a review on this later, but I was wrong about it. It worked out very well, and helped get this guy on the ground. So anyway, let's see how Emily does. All right, so next up, this, they did not send me a Remington Turkey Pro. Remington sent us this last year to try out, and we kept it. We just paid for it, and we kept it. Super nice shotgun. If you want to see a review over the Remington V3 Turkey Pro, let me know. It is clear, but what this review about is the Sling. So Allen Company, also part of the Shocker series, sent us the shotgun sling. I didn't know what I was gonna, so I'm not a big sling guy, right? To me, this is just my personal preference. They get in the way, they hang on things. Issa's gonna come interrupting right now. Hi, Issa. Okay. They hang up on things, and anyway, gave it a shot. Actually liked it a lot. The underneath side, the part that you're gonna put it on your shoulder, it's textured. It's kind of a sticky, rubberized material. That was actually pretty handy. It's got a couple shotgun shell holders right here up top. They're pretty handy. And then you can undo this little protective thing, and you got spot for what looks like 3 diaphragm calls. I'm not a huge diaphragm caller. I can do it a little bit. I'm not great at it, but I did stick some in there. Worked out fantastic. Sling held up. It looks brand new, and I used it a lot. A little turkey foot on there in case you didn't know it was for turkey hunting. But yeah, actually really nice. Super quiet. The sling connection mounts here, the sling points, don't bang around. I mean, I have to actually physically try to get some noise out of that. The bottom one's nice and secure. Super quiet. Actually pretty comfortable. It's nice and wide, so it doesn't dig into your shoulder on your long hikes in. So anyway, that is the Allen Company Shocker Series Sling. Liked it more than I thought I would, to be honest, and it's probably just going to live on there now. So let's talk about the gun case a little bit. Here we go. This is the Allen Company Shocker Series shotgun case, in case you didn't know. Got turkey feet on it, turkey tracks. Actually very useful. So how I use this is I pretty much store all my turkey stuff in this case. It's got a spot for calls, it's got a spot for shotgun shells, it's got a spot for the shotgun, it's got a spot I can actually just clip the chest rig onto this. 3 huge pockets on this thing, place for diaphragms, place for my striker, place for the pot call, everything I can contain in here. I thought was kind of cool, kind of a neat touch. So this ruler right here, I can literally take it off. What about that? Take it off, take that out in the field with me. I can measure my hooks or my beard or just anything I need to measure, but that actually just kind of comes off pretty cool. I mean, I'm not much of a soft case guy, but I'll just show you something. I took this to Oregon on my spring black bear hunt, and it fit my 300 PRC and my suppressor. So I can just kind of keep it separate, keep it safe. I'm sure Allen Co. was not intending that to be a suppressor case, but it works pretty good. So there's a couple slots in here for your slate calls, a couple more over here for strikers. That's what I put my striker in there anyway. Got another fairly big pocket right there for a box call. And then this is triple secured. So you got your clip, you got your Velcro, and you got your the main zipper. That's what I kept my 300 PRC magazine in. And then the inside is very well padded. It's almost like a dual padding. It's got a pad on each side here. Runs all the way down. So all in all, I really actually like the case. Like I said, I'm not a soft case guy. I like a hard case. I like the protection a hard case gives. But I was able to use this for turkey hunting, just throw it in the back of the truck. And then in Oregon, that's what I used to carry around my 300 PRC. So worked really good. It was it's pretty quiet, and it's got, the reason I took it is has storage for everything that I can just throw on my shoulder. I usually keep all that stuff in a big hard case or in a backpack, and I was able to get some weight off my back and throw it in the case. Sounds like a win. So anyway guys, that is our review over the Allen Co. Shocker Series chest harness, chest rig, running gun, I believe it's called that, the shotgun sling, and the case. I will put a description and links to all that below. So check out those links below if you're interested in picking some of those up. You probably own some Allen & Company or Allen & Co. products right now. You just probably don't realize that they are into everything. I like this stuff more than I thought I would. I will be using it again. It will be part of our turkey kit that we take out every year. And I don't know, our spring bear kit. And I'm probably gonna use that chest rig, honestly, for a lot of predator hunting and hog hunting, because I can throw extra Grindle or Creedmoor shells in there. I can put thermal batteries. I can throw all my stuff that I need in there and have it just handy right here, and I don't have to wear a pack. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more product reviews, let us know. Let us know what you want to see us review. We'll get a hold of them. We'll try to get the gear, bring it to you guys. All right, always like, subscribe, share, comment, thumbs up. Tell us what we're doing right. Let us know what we're doing wrong. We'll see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.